Now let's understand how to order the elements in our list. There are two methods, and one is sorting, other is sorted. Now sorting is one of the important application that you want to apply on the list. And there are two functions, like one is sort and another is sorted. So first we will create a list and then we will sort it. So let's say there is a list and we put few elements within the list. These are the list. There are two ways to sort the list, and number one is by using sort method. So what we will do here, we will do L dot sort. So you can see it will sort the list in ascending order. If we really want our list to sort in descending order, what we need to do? So what we need to do here, L dot sort within bracket. So जब भी आप किसी so whenever you need to reverse the list, sorted the list in reverse order, you need to do this kind of function you can use. So this is how we can sort the list in descending order. Now we just move to another feature, sorted function. There are a little bit difference you can notice when you will use sorted. So you can see, let's we create a list and we can put within a list orange, peach, mango, guava. This is a list. We can even write down difference between short so if we want to sort this kind of list, what we need to do, we can do we can create a list which will a dot sort and we can see here so if you run this, you need to 22. you can see how does it works. First thing, a dot show, this one, it will show the list and print the list basically. So B doesn't have any kind of out. So when you do a dot show, it automatically showed the elements, and basically B doesn't have any value. And you can also do it by shorted. So let's do use of shorted function. You can see guava G, M after G, O after M. You can see it's alphabetically shorted. We can do the similar function by shorted. So what we need to do here, C is equal to shorted A. Next, print A print C. Originally, let's say there is a list. यहाँ पे हम कॉपी कर लेते हैं. इसमें थोड़ा सा हम चेंज कर देते हैं. Let's say there are only 3 values. So you can see the difference between short and shorted. Original list stay on, and shorted and there is an output. You can see basically print A is same and print C is the shorted value. So if you want to keep the list as it is, then you need to do shorted. But if you want to list shorted in place, then you can use name of list dot short function, which we did previously. There, name of list and dot short function, where we really don't need original list. But if we want to keep original list as well as shorted list, then we need to use this kind of approach. Please like and subscribe my channel if you didn't like yet. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you got the content of the video. Thank you so much, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel.